Who the fuck is this bitch? Huh? Who's that bitch? La 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 la. She's that bitch. La 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 la. Subscribe to that bitch. La 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 la. Nah, but like she's like really freaking cool.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your favorite girl here, Bex21, and we're back at it with another video. If this is your first time seeing me, my name's Bex, my name's Becca, my name's Rebecca. You can call me whatever you like, but don't call me Becky. Okay. Alright, so everybody has been bugging me about this shit. You guys have been bugging me about doing an Amazon wig haul for like 20 years. So I listened and I picked up a package from Amazon. They still have the Prime packaging because they're ghetto and they can't afford to waste any money. But no, I did not buy this on Prime. I bought this sometime last week, but it wasn't Prime Day. We just gonna go straight into the motherfucker because don't nobody got time to be wasting.
Watch your profanity.
So I'm gonna go ahead and give you the spec on this wig. I'm sorry if by the time I take off this to go onto my next wig that my makeup is going on my forehead, but it's hot as hell. Trying not to sweat. I will also leave a link in the bio to this wig so you guys can get it if you want, but you guys responded so well to my last curly wig, so I thought just maybe I should get another one or whatever. So this is from Korea Tech Company. The name is Korea Tech Loose Curly Lace Front Synthetic Wig Heat Resistant Fiber Wig High Density with Baby Hairs for Black and White Women 24-inch, black. Here is what the wig looked like right here. As y'all can see, it looks cute. Like, I thought it would be nice. I could be wrong though. The quality of the inside of the cap looks nice, and it was only like $20, right, when I bought it, something like that. So I was just like, you know what, why not? I want to keep this Amazon thing to under 20. I've not seen this wig because I didn't want to spoil it for myself. Oh, they got some nice packaging, bitch. Bougie, bad and bougie. Like, this is what I opened it, and this is what I see. Happy every day, a psych bitch. All my friends are dead, push me to the edge. Oh wow, they got jokes on the back.
Bitch, I know you fucking lied. I know you fucking lied.
But don't nobody got time to read the joke. I will leave them here. If y'all want to pause the video, there you go. We're gonna open this little hoe up. So it came with a little note. I'm gonna read it to you guys. Dear customer, when you open the package, please check the wig carefully at first and decide whether you want to keep the wig. If you want to return it, please do not cut the lace. If you cut the lace, we cannot sell this wig again. This is very important. And also, please return the wig as her original state. Thanks for your understanding. Have a great day. On a rip fucking paper that they possibly licked to rip the edges. So that's fucking cute right there.
That's nasty.
So they come with this wig care instructions with this 90s lady on it. Like, I don't know, but she looked like Drew Barrymore or some shit. I ain't reading that because I already know what I'm doing. Wow. It comes with these bomb wig caps, okay, and they're darker. They're actually giving out dark wig caps. Wow. Wow.
I am shooketh.
The hair feels so nice, guys. Like, I'm really shocked. I've never ordered wigs from Amazon, so like, I don't know. This hair feels very nice. This is coming out of the packaging, okay? So I'm gonna take the little lunch lady thing off. She ain't nappy headed or nothing. Y'all, I think she cute. Now they advertise this as a curly wig. Let's keep that in mind. Let me show you the inside of the cap construction. So this is what they put on nicer wigs when you buy them. They have the elastic band. There's combs. There's 3 combs actually. You get a little extra parting lace in the middle. It's a soft lace too, mind you. And don't tell me it's bleached already. No, it ain't bleached, because I was like, oh wait, bitch, they done a mo. Bitch, you extra?
In doing the most news, we have...
Okay, so these baby hairs long as hell. I don't know who baby hairs is like this unless you Indian, got that good Cherokee up in you.
Nah, you mad exotic. Like, what you mixed with?
First things first, it's very freaking soft, but it reminds me of my video from like a while ago. I'll show you guys, I'll insert it. Body like quaddy. Yeah, it reminds me of that wig, like that light brown wig. That's the kind of texture that I'm getting from this, but it's cute. It's not as curly as I thought it was gonna be. Let's come back. We're gonna put this hoe on and see how she look, whatever. Bitch, do y'all see what I see? I look Samoan, bitch. I'm an islander, bitch. I'm from Hawaii. I'm gonna start telling people that. Do you see it? This reminds me of my cousin. Like, this is like her hair texture. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this wig is fucking cute. Tell me I don't look cute. Like, bitch, you can't tell me nothing. Like SZA who, bitch? Bitch. bitch. Like, this is probably one of the best synthetic wigs I've ever bought in my life. Why didn't y'all tell me to get on Amazon sooner? Like, who I got to fight now? Because now I'm about to pop off on you hoes. I know you a motherfucking lie. There's nothing I can say. Like, I'm shook it, bitch. See, now this gonna be my new baddie. I know it's summertime, but guess who give a fuck? Not this bitch. I'm gonna be rocking the fuck out of this hoe. Is she cute or whatever? You see that? Ooh, I look like I got long baby hair right here. This look a little ghetto because the cap. We gonna have to fix her like now. So I'm gonna make another video. Y'all gotta wait. She needs time. She needs energy. She needs work. She needs her own video. That's what she needs. Bitch, I'm the new motherfucking Moana. Fuck you mean? I really do like this wig, and it's a long, like, it's past the titties, bitch. It comes to like my hip right here. The only thing I will say about this wig is that it is pretty thick, so I'm gonna have to cut it. Like, it's just a little too thick. That's what makes it look kind of fake. So y'all look out for that video because that will be coming shortly. Hopefully it'll be this week, but it probably will. Probably be next week. I hope you guys like my Amazon wig haul. I didn't want to start off with more than one because I didn't know what I was getting into. Like, on Amazon, like, I kind of fell into a trap of wigs, and it was just like a bunch. So I put a few in my cart that were like similar, around the same thing, and I wanted to see how one would come out, and then from there I'd go forward. Not really shedding like that either, to be exact. So, and there's no smell, y'all. No smell. The length is exact. The color is exactly what the fuck I bought it as, and nothing different. The texture is bomb. Honestly, I give this wig a 10 out of 10 because I can do so much shit with this. So I give it a 10 out of 10. Shout out to you, Amazon. You did the shit. So I'm gonna keep doing this and doing it again and again. You'll probably see Amazon more than you'll see Wish. I'll continue to do Wish, but like I said, that one's gonna be more sparse, and I'm gonna include other companies because why not? Why be basic? Let's do it all, okay? I love y'all. I'll see y'all in my next video.